Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly screencast video. I hope everyone had a wonderful spring break. So, let me get started with this week's activity. As you can see, I have no discussion board activity on the schedule for this week. The focus here, obviously, is the annotated bibliography that is due Sunday at the end of the week. So, let me take a look at the modules here, real quick. All right, here is the spring break week module where I have the instructions in the video and the sample for the annotated bibliography. I am getting a few emails about interviews of the living sources, whether it's an interview or a survey. I think if you look at the pages in the Curious Researcher, it explains both. I want to emphasize at this time, if you are doing an interview or a survey, to meet the 8 source minimum for the annotated. It must be completed. So please, you have this week to get your interviews in. Probably the most efficient way to do a survey is through Google Forms. You can send that out via social media, email, however you choose to do that. Also, I'm looking for that to be tabulated also, all right? Pay close attention here to the instructions and the video. The due date for the annotated is, once again, the 24th, I believe. Let's take a look here. Yes, it's due on the 24th. So Sunday, end of day, is when the assignment is due. I didn't want to bog everybody down with a discussion board this week. Obviously, as we move past the annotated bibliography into week 11, we start picking up chapter 3 with the note takers triad and discussion board number 12. I have opened up several weeks here, all the way straight through to week 12, so everyone should be able to work ahead as you see fit. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.